Thanks to the grant that we received from the Lester Muriel and Eddie Frazier Women Fund, we were able to host this women's workshop today at the Better Business Bureau in order to help small business women owners improve in how they run their business and network with each other and gain more knowledge about social media, digital marketing, how to actually run their business, make sales.
I already learned a few points that I realized that I've been making mistakes about my business, such as focus on what I do best and not worrying about pleasing other people and try to be of assistance, be there for everybody. That's a shortfall a women business tends to be.
The speakers that are here today, we had Darlene Zebel.
Stay focused. Don't let people distract you because they will.
We have had Terry Ambrose here, and she has her own digital marketing company.
There's all kinds of digital marketing. We're going to talk about some of these, but we're not going to talk about all of them, and we can't go in depth. But just know there's a lot of ways to reach your market online.
And to end our day, we have Tracy Bullock.
There's body language, there's tonality, there's words, there's where we put our messages out, and then we have generational differences. So we need to understand how people like to receive that message.
Each one of these classes could have been a whole day by themselves.
Yes, they are.
Yeah. Right. There was it was just so much information and trying to take it in so fast.
I've met some phenomenal women here today. I've learned that, yes, I am the CEO of my company, not just a woman. I've talked to experts in human resources. I've talked to experts as authors, as publishers. So SCORE is the way to go for women starting their business, and I'm most appreciative.
Whether it's a webinar or in person, we have experts that can share their knowledge and have the ability to get people to network with each other and learn new skills, new tactics. SCORE workshops are amazing for the knowledge that you can learn in a short period of time. People can stay connected with SCORE by getting on our website, score.org, and you just put in your zip code or Phoenix, and you can get on our email list, and then you'll learn about all these things as they come up.